Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device a little bit. So we will start this tutorial with removing the cache from specific apps, and after that I'll show you also a way to remove some files and thanks to it release some data. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on App Management, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And if you feel that for example the app is working a little bit slower than before, or basically your device is working slower, I highly recommend to simply go through all of those apps and remove cache. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific app. I will choose Camera, and then we have to go to the storage usage. Let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got this cache section, so just tap on clear cache, and as you can see your device will immediately remove the junk files. I do not recommend tapping on clear data because you will basically remove everything all the data from the camera, so be aware about that and use it only if necessary. And as I said, I highly recommend going through all of those apps and then removing junk files. Another thing which will confirm the changes is to restart your device. So it is quite a simple trick, but it is useful, and as I said, it basically refreshes everything and confirms the changes. So to restart it, just press the power button and the volume up button together, just like that, and now we can just swipe this circle to the restart option, and then your device will be restarted. I don't want to do that right now. I don't want to waste the time in which I can explain everything to you. And the last thing, which I think it's quite useful, is to use Phone Manager, which is pre-installed on this device, so for sure you will be able to find this app. So just tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions if it needs, and here we can enter clear up storage, because here we've got everything displayed, let's say, so we can see how much data we want to remove. We can remove. Here we've got also the storage space, and here we've got different categories in which we've got different data saved and which we can remove. So for example, as you can see, we've got duplicated files, etc. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clean here. Let me go back. Also you can tap on optimize here, and your device will not only remove junk files but also optimize different processes. So this is what you can do in order to speed up your device a little bit. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.